Mainit na ngayon dito. Ito na yung entrance. Then we're going to the Western Wall. Marami pa rin turista. Yan. Yan po yung Dung Gate.
Dito daw ulit mamaya. Wala ka? Mamaya mag-check. Kasi dahan-dahan lang.
Lah,
Balik na naman tayo dito.
naiwan yung bag ko dun. College murder.
Bora família, bora família. Below is the main spot or the cargo during the time of the Romans. So there are lots of people selling their goods in this area. So if the Lord Jesus Christ cast himself down and then he died, so he will become a laughing stock of the people in this area. So that's it. Okay, so now punta na tayo doon sa Western Wall. Okay? So women on the right.
Men on the right.
As we enter the